very bright sunny morning today. After yesterday's heavy rainfall, it's very clear, not a speck of cloud, blue skies. We're hoping that it's going to be a good day at Tarsar.
So just been 30 minutes since we've started and it's been steady inclination, so it's not a long way today, it's just 4 kilometers. We had the best morning so far today. It's completely clear, completely blue, not a speck of cloud. But right now it seems that the cloud is covering up again, which is a normal thing during these times, during the monsoon season in these routes. This is end of day 3. It was a pretty comfortable hike, just 4.5 kilometers. And this is a river originating from the Tarsar Lake.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी, कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुशनसीबी। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल।
It rained all night and it's a pretty gloomy morning, not the kind of morning that is favorable for trekking. It is expected that rain will start falling in the afternoon. Normally the weather in the morning is completely clear. The view is clear, however, and there that is the Kolahai glacier, not glacier, Kolahai peak. So there is also a trek, Kolahai glacier trek in that route, which I'll try sometime later. Let's hope that the weather clears up and we find a cheerful morning like last day. Very stiff climb today, so if you can see that the people are going to climb this entire peak, this entire ridge, and onto that other side. within the mountains are as unpredictable as it gets. Suddenly the sun is out and I can see some blue patches in the sky, which is always very welcoming. You always feel happier when the sun is out. I just hope that by the time I reach up there, I hope I have the sky entirely blue so that I can have a view of the lake when it's completely blue.
Let's go! Let's go!
So we came from this side and crossed this ridge, and this is the view in the other side. Go all the way down now. It's a 8-kilometer trek today. So done part of it, which was the initial climb. It's a breathtaking view from there on either sides. Finally, after a lot of ups and downs, seeing that we have reached the end of day 4, there is the Sundarsar campsite. So I am virtually walking on the stream that has arisen from this lake. The significance of these lakes are huge in terms of human and animal survival. If these lakes dry up, then the streams will also dry up. There will be no rivers reaching down. It is a beautiful morning from the Sundarsar campsite. This is the best campsite that we have had so far, and also the best morning. I had a great sleep, perhaps the best sleep of the entire trek. So right now we're planning to go to Marsar again, where Ritik Ogni had gone. So we'd gone there yesterday. This is the Sundarsar lake. It's absolutely amazing. And across this ridge is the Tarsar Lake. Marsar Lake. We are on our way to Marsar Lake right now. It's absolutely amazing. Don't know how big this is, but this is really big. বিশাল সাইজ ভাই লেকটার। Just try and go up this cliff if I can spot the entire lake. Woo! As we bid goodbye to the Sundarsar campsite, a bittersweet feeling started to grab us. On one hand, the sadness that another trek has come to an end. On the other, the relief and eagerness to get in touch with the loved ones made us hopeful. Little did we know that there was still a lot to learn, a lot to gain from the remaining one day at Sonmasti. Sonmasti is a beautiful meadow where the villagers from the nearby Sumbal village come and stay for the summer in search of greener pastures ideal for livestock. On our final evening at Sonmasti, a kind shepherd invited us to his hut, just a few yards away from our camp. We were reluctant, but his persuasion got the better of us. It was a simple, cozy little hut, colorful and happy. The gentle fire and the hospitality of the gentleman, his wife and his daughter filled the place with warmth. They made us soft butter rotis, so delicious that we couldn't have just one. She will insist that we eat to our full, and it wasn't a hassle at all. Such was his conviction that very soon we felt at home and had a great evening of stories, laughter, great food, rounded off by special Kashmiri chai and hookah. खाया हम 2.5 पीस खा लिया चाचा। बहुत खा लिया मैंने।
बहुत खुश हो गया मैं। बहुत खुश।
आप खुश हो गए ना?
हम खुश हो गए। हम खाया खुश हो। हम तो
ये भी खेते ना?
हाँ।
कौन ढाया होता है मेरे दो ना? थोड़ा मिले टुकड़े।
ना ऐसा डरने का बात नहीं है, बट
इसका मम्मी इसको पकड़ के मारेगी घर जाने से। मम्मी क्यों मारेगी? इतना मोटा और खाता रहता है।
मैं बोल के आया ना, इसमें आने से पहले पतला हो के आऊंगा।
अच्छा,
इतना पैदल
थोड़ा दौड़ो ना, पसीना निकालो।
दौड़े तो पसीना निकले, नीचे
कहाँ
आके बटन डालिए तो
आस्ते ऐसे नहीं करने से होगा। जब चलना है तो फिर चलना है। पूरा जब नीचे ऊपर से पसीना जब जाएगा ना, मर्द कम हो जाएगा।
काल जी उतराइए ना, इसमें अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ काल।
We left with so much warmth, full of gratitude, love and respect for the Kashmiri people. It was yet another lesson that we learned today. Life is not as complicated as we often make out to be, and people are not always twisted.
कौशिक!
Ogni!